Dive into the future of hassle-free pool maintenance. Imagine spending more time enjoying your crystal-clear pool and less time cleaning. Today, we unveil the 10 best pool robot vacuum pool cleaners that promise to transform your pool experience. Say goodbye to tedious chores and hello to the ultimate poolside relaxation. Let's jump in. Introducing Beatbot AquaSense Pro, the pool cleaning robot that takes your pool maintenance game to a whole new level. Picture this: unparalleled wall climbing, nimble maneuvering in tricky spots, 5,500 GPH powerful suction, and top-notch motion control to tackle obstacles with ease. AquaSense Pro is not just a pool cleaner, it's a game changer. Now, let's talk design. AquaSense Pro's sleek, futuristic look is more than just eye candy. It's optimized for efficient cleaning, boasting three-dimensional cleaning capability, edge cleaning finesse, robust brush scrubbing power, and precision filtration. It's not just about looks, it's about getting the job done right. Speaking of specs, AquaSense Pro doesn't disappoint. With a 5-in-1 cordless cleaning approach covering the floor, walls, waterline, surface, and water clarification, you've got all your bases covered. Thanks to 20 sensors and AI algorithms, this bot navigates your pool with precision, ensuring a thorough clean every time. All right, let's get to the interesting part: performance. With a powerful 9-motor system, AquaSense Pro doesn't just clean, it power cleans. The intelligent return to the starting point and surface parking feature add a cherry on top, making it not just efficient, but also smart. And here's the kicker: the Beatbot app. It's like having a personal pool assistant in your pocket. The industry-first pool map and cleaning path visualization lets you take control, choose cleaning modes, and keep tabs on your cleaning history. It's pool maintenance at your fingertips. In a nutshell, AquaSense Pro is not just a pool cleaner, it's a pool maintenance revolution. It's like having a diligent pool cleaning buddy who never misses a spot. Dive into hassle-free pool maintenance with AquaSense Pro. Your pool will thank you for it.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your pool? Say hello to the Dolphin Explorer E70. With always connected Wi-Fi, schedule cleanings from anywhere, ensuring a pristine pool no matter where you are. Transporting and storing your Dolphin is a breeze with the universal caddy, keeping the cable organized and the robot easily maneuverable around your pool area. Equipped with powerful wall climbing capabilities, the Dolphin scrubs floors, walls, and water lines with precision, leaving no pool shape or surface type untouched. Thanks to the Dolphin's PowerStream technology, enjoy an exceptionally clean pool surface, creating a constant grip as it moves vertically up the wall. For an ultimate clean, think Dolphin E70. Less work, more enjoyment. Next up, we have the Polaris VRX IQ+, the genius in robotic pool cleaners. Witness a brilliantly clean pool with strategic cleaning powered by smart cycle functionality. The VRX IQ+ learns your pool, calculating the most efficient cleaning time while making automatic adjustments. The iAquaLink app offers full control, letting you monitor the cleaning status, check the water temperature, and even perform spot cleaning. But that's not all. Its patented Easy Lift removal system makes taking the cleaner out a breeze, and the Easy Clean filter canisters ensure you never touch debris again. Roll it effortlessly with the premium caddy, and let the tangle-reducing swivel keep every corner reachable. This isn't just a cleaner, it's an intelligent pool companion, providing a smarter way to enjoy a sparkling clean pool. Looking for a stress-free way to keep your pool crystal clear? Say hello to the Dolphin Liberty 300. This amazing robotic pool vacuum cleaner is here to make your life easier. With its cordless design and innovative cleaning technology, you can say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to effortless pool cleaning. With its simple inductive charging featuring magnetic connect, you get a walk-away charging experience. The powerful lithium-ion battery provides 90 minutes of efficient cleaning, leaving your pool remarkably clean. Utilize the click-up pool removal feature after the cleaning cycle for hassle-free removal, and watch the Dolphin self-park at the nearest wall. The Liberty 300's impressive wall climbing capability ensures both pool floor and walls are scrubbed for the ultimate clean. Dive into more pool enjoyment while doing less work with the Liberty 300. Power up your pool cleaning routine with the P1 Max, where innovation meets efficiency. Boasting a 40% plus faster ultrasonic mapping, this robotic pool cleaner covers an impressive 1,937 square feet in just 90 minutes per charge, thanks to its advanced 800 mAh battery. Experience hassle-free pool maintenance as this automatically returns to its charging station when the battery runs low, ensuring a hands-free recharging process. With 3 powerful brushes and 2 PVC roller brushes, this cleaner tackles stains, debris, and even deep cleaning with ease. Its enhanced suction capabilities, powered by a robust 120-watt motor, efficiently remove stubborn leaves and gravel, leaving your pool pristine. The P1 Max doesn't just clean, it revolutionizes your pool maintenance experience. No more tangled cords, as here comes the cordless solution, the Waybot cordless robotic pool cleaner, your sleek and efficient pool cleaning companion. Powered by a built-in battery, this nimble cleaner scrubs pool surfaces with ease, eliminating the risk of cord-related accidents. Charging in just 3 to 4 hours, it's ready to go, effortlessly picking up dust, sand, and leaves with its dual motor power and fine filter. The smart navigation tech ensures it automatically reverses upon encountering walls and heads to the shore when the battery is low. Weighing only 7.9 pounds, it's comfortable to move, and with a compact design, it's easy to handle and store. Enjoy the freedom of cordless cleaning with the Waybot robotic pool cleaner. Step into the era of effortless pool cleaning with the Intex-ZX300, the ultimate pressure-side automatic floor cleaner for above-ground pools. Connect it to the inlet fitting and watch 700 gallons per hour of powerful water suction come to life, leaving your pool spotless. Designed for Intex and other pools up to 26 feet in diameter or 36 feet by 12-foot rectangular pools, the ZX300 ensures no debris is left behind. With dual dirt scrubbers and a large capacity tray, it tackles even the finest dirt up to the waterline. Enjoy superior cleaning performance with water-powered all-wheel drive, making wall climbing a breeze. Set it up in minutes, let it do its magic, and experience safety, quality, and value with Intex ZX300. Meet your pool's new ally, the Aper Seagull Pro. This advanced pool cleaner, armed with the world's first quad motor system and WavePath navigation technology, is set to revolutionize your pool maintenance routine. Forget about tedious cleaning. It will handle your entire pool, from walls to waterline, effortlessly. With a 4-wheel drive system ensuring seamless wall climbing and effective scrubbing, it's a powerhouse. Boasting up to 200 watts of power, it filters 130 gallons of water per minute, collecting everything from leaves to sticks. WavePath navigation ensures efficient pool coverage with minimal energy consumption, making it 10 times more cleaning and energy efficient. Experience a cordless, tangle-free revolution in pool cleaning. Just drop the Seagull Pro in the pool and watch it reclaim your free time. Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your pool? Just leave it to ScavBots, the robotic pool cleaner that handles everything for you. With its cutting-edge technology and unmatched efficiency, it will leave your pool sparkling clean and ready to dive into. It has an impressive runtime of up to 6 hours and compatibility with all pool types. It guarantees a splash of pristine beauty. Powered by a patented flow channel design, it boasts 1,200 Pascal suction strength and a high flow rate of 4,800 gallons per hour for unparalleled cleaning prowess. With intelligent path planning, the guesswork is out, ensuring every inch is meticulously cleaned. With ScavBots Smart App, control pool cleaner, get notifications, check your battery, and enjoy efficient pool maintenance. If you're looking to take your pool maintenance to the next level, the Matronics Dolphin Liberty 400 might just be the perfect solution for you. Its Eco mode ensures efficient floor cleaning cycles throughout the week, while the versatile Cycle Selector lets you decide on floor-only or a comprehensive cleaning, including walls and waterline. Seamlessly connected via the My Dolphin Plus app, take control and set up cleaning programs effortlessly. With powerful active scrubbing and superior filtration, it offers reliability and service. Dive into the future of pool cleaning with the Dolphin Liberty 400, saving energy and water and delivering unmatched performance for your aquatic haven. So that concludes our list of 10 best pool robot vacuum pool cleaner you should buy. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.